Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyanu Fabusiwa, also known as Iyanu Apala. One of our daddies here, my daddy, my uncle,
Your
my
friend.
mentor, my friend. Daddy is daddy, don't is daddy. Okay, sir, can you introduce yourself, sir?
Well, it's a great pleasure. My name is Olalekan Olusoji, the son of JB Olale late. So, popularly known as Olalekankiab.
Yeah.
Kiab, Adisa Lagbaja. Hey! Ongba ko magba yagi Adisa no re o. Ìlú bàbá ìlú, orin bàbá orin. It's well.
You didn't put official talking drummer of Lagbaja. Àwọn nìyẹn o. Àwọn ló gbogbo ta láti kékeré ta lè gbé wọn till now.
Èmi ni kọ́kọ́ o, àwọn kan ti ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ o, tẹ́lẹ̀ o.
Ìgbà tí yín gbé lámọ̀ yín.
Because we had the time, the likes of Uncle Muri, Ṣẹ́gun Adéoyè, Razak, Bababode, Ebe, then many of them like that. So kó tó wá di pé wá.
Ìgbà tí yín láti.
Máa gbòògbò iṣẹ́ oníṣẹ́ o, títí ẹni kò jẹ́ kọ́ ló ń gbòògbò lórí ẹ̀ o.
You're welcome to.
Great pleasure from my hand.
Yeah, I'm really happy to have you here, sir. I'm really happy to have you here, sir. So we're going to talk about Owe Oro, parables and words. So that's why I have to go and carry one of our daddy in the house and boss to explain deeply for us with theory and the practical aspect of it, so that we have more knowledge about the word Owe, which is parables and words, Oro. So that is, sir,
Well, thank you so much. Let me just start my explanation from this end. From during the time of creation, the Bible says, "Oni níbẹ̀ rẹpẹpẹ Ọlọ́run dá ọ̀run ayé àbí oni ọ̀rọ̀ ń bẹ pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run ni ọ̀rọ̀." So in other words, a rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ ohun tó ní agbára. Sorry viewers out there, I'll be mixing my explanation, my teachings with English and Yoruba for those who do not thoroughly understand English, so that I lè cut across, So Ọlọ́run ní pé let there be light.
Yeah. That's what.
So that tells us how powerful words can be.
Yeah.
So now we're talking about words. Ìyẹn ni ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn sí ni pé a fẹ́ mú ìyàtọ̀ láàrin ọ̀rọ̀ àti òwe. Ọ̀rọ̀ la gbájọpọ̀ lónírúurú tàbí fọ́ọ̀mù òwe.
Yeah.
Irú bí orí ẹni kó máa ń fìyà jẹ ní àtàrí ẹni kó máa ń fìyà jẹ ní mo dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún mo dúpẹ́. Let us do a bit of separation. Orí ẹni ọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn náà kì í ṣe òwe. Orí ẹni, it's pointing at something. That has to do with human body. Orí ẹni, then àtàrí ẹni still within the human body. So bàtà gbapọ̀ ó wá fún ní real meaning of okay, orí ẹni kó máa fìyà jẹ ní àtàrí kó máa fìyà jẹ ní mo dúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò pa mí lẹ́kún mo dúpẹ́. So kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ń sọ fún wa? Ọpẹ́ ni. Kẹ́tì ń sẹ̀ so ọ̀rọ̀ òun ni òwe. Òwe òun náà ni ọ̀rọ̀. Làwọn bàbá sọ pé òwe lẹṣin ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹṣin òwe. Tọ́rọ̀ bá sọnù òwe la fi ń wá. Báwo ni òwe ṣe jẹ́ ṣin ọ̀rọ̀? À ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn, trying to make some things clear to ourselves. Ẹṣin is known for, pé ohun tó sáré ara àwọn attribute ẹnìyẹn. So kó lè tètè yí wa òwe lẹṣin ọ̀rọ̀, that means a means of conveying meaning or giving meaning to an argument. Ẹṣin agbèrò yẹn sáré àdé ókè ọbẹ̀ mi ò fẹ́ sọ àsọtọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lónìí kankan sìn máa ní ojúlárí ọ̀rẹ́ ò dékun ẹni ìwọ tí mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó yí ẹ but third party ó lè má yé. I've only used that to convey message to you about someone or a situation on ground. That is it. So ọ̀rọ̀ lòwe, òwe lọ̀rọ̀.
Please, can we have maybe any types of Owe? Types.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. If I may say something about that. If you want to go so deep or trying to expatiate more on types of Owe, we really need to talk about types of
applications. Yeah.
Because in tó bá wà ńlẹ̀ tí a fẹ́ dojú kìíní yẹn kọ ló máa jẹ́ ká fi ọgbọ́n pa irú ìwé báyìí irú ìwé báyìí tó ń
sọ apply it.
Like now, for example, now in a morning atmosphere tó ti ń ṣe òkú àgbà Ọlọ́run fún alẹ́mí fún àtàlàfíà ó ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá bẹ̀ yẹn lọ ó ní àwọn òwe tó bá bẹ̀ lọ ibi wọ́n ti ń gbé felicitate tó ti ń rejoice tó ti ń ṣe nǹkan ayọ̀ ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá bẹ̀ lọ ibi tí ó kù díẹ̀ kíkan ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó já síbi ó ní tó bá bẹ̀ lọ gbogbo ohun tó kọjú sẹ́dá láyé yìí ló ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá bẹ̀ lọ àti àwọn òwe tó bá bẹ̀ lọ.
Bébí kẹ̀kan fún wa ní òwe àti ọ̀rọ̀ and now we can apply it.
Okay, we are talking about ọ̀rọ̀ now. Irú bí Adédọ̀yìn ṣáà máa bọ̀ ṣòwe ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Because in English it's more like a phrase. And what is a phrase? A phrase it's an incomplete sentence. Okay, Adédọ̀yìn ṣáà máa bọ̀ níbo máa bọ̀ wá ṣe kí ni mo fi refer sí pé phrase ni. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ just communication lásán ni. A kàn sọ̀rọ̀ a kàn báyìí ṣe ń ṣe communication ni. But òwe mo ti jẹ́ kó yàtọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ni pé òwe a fi ń convey message ni. Òwe is philosophical. You see how it talks about the existence of some beings in years past. Or ń sọ nípa recent happenings. Or ń sọ nípa future. Nta mú wò pé bí most likely ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ òwe. So yàtọ̀ láàrin ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀, don't forget communication, mere communication ni ọ̀rọ̀, mere communication. But òwe conveys more messages. Tó sọ nípa ó sọ nípa bí past, present. We don't give warning, we don't give prophetic word. Depends on how it faces you. Òun nìyẹn. Ohun tí òwe fi yàtọ̀ nìyẹn. Then òwe náà, some areas of òwe ó tún wá ń sọ nípa ṣe mọ̀ a ní òwe ìbánikẹ́dùn, ìbániyọ̀, òwe ìkìlọ̀, òwe ìṣinilétí, ìṣininíyè àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Bàbá sọ nípa òwe nísìn. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká dojú kọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nǹkan bí burial, nǹkan tó ń ṣe nǹkan bí ọ̀fọ̀. Ṣé you get me ẹ̀ àbúrò? Nǹkan bí ọ̀fọ̀. Now, já ṣe lè. Ó sọ pé ó pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí ikú tí ò pa wèrè tí ò pa dìgbòlugi ó pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí ó pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí ikú tí ò pa wèrè tí ò pa dìgbòlugi ó pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí kí là ń sọ àwa ní party concert bí burial àwa play kí ni that means à ń fi bó ṣe dùnyàn tó pé ikú dẹ̀ pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí that means talking about how that man was when he was alive, how good he was nígbà tó wà láyé ikú bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ pa wèrè tó ń lọ yẹn o wà pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí kò pa wèrè kò wà pẹ̀lú tó ní láárí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ń sìn. Like I said earlier in my explanation mo ní ṣẹ́rí òwe ń gbà mí ẹ́ a máa fi ń gbé ìtumọ̀ messages ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí n ta fẹ́ kọjú sí akọjú sí bẹ́rẹ̀ à ń sìn ni lọ́dún ń ṣe òkú ń sìn ọ̀yà ẹ̀wọ̀n tó gbé jáde. Now lọ́dún ń ṣe kó mọ wedding we have this commonly said commonly played parable like àṣeṣe tún ṣe of course yes bàbá ṣe yìí tán àwọn ṣe ní sí àṣeṣe tún ṣe. Then also we have èyí ṣojú mi náà èyí bá ṣojú ẹni kò ní ṣe ẹ̀yìn ẹni èyí ṣojú mi náà many of them ó tiẹ̀ pọ̀ jáǹtì rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ṣe ń sìn. Now owó ìkìlọ̀ bí wọ́n fẹ́ kìlọ̀ fún yàn a gbọ́ ìyanu ọmọ Fábùsí wa ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ènìyàn fẹ́ ní fọ̀rọ̀ bí ò ṣe rí ẹni ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. Ọbúyá òun sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú yàn sìn ó wá gbélú gẹ́gẹ́ bí onílẹ̀ nìkan sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ wá ní. ìyanu ọmọ Fábùsí wa ojú là rí ọ̀rẹ́ òdekùn ojú là rí ọ̀rẹ́ òdekùn ẹni àti bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ṣe kọjú sí kálukú.
So we need one example in church too, in the church settings too. Or
okay, in church,
just one practical example.
There's a saying which says, whenever you're in the presence of the Lord Almighty, your Creator, be humble in spirit and in everything, even with your endowment. Less of you, more of Him. Gbogbo àwọn skills, níta tó bá dé church, minimize it, because it is not for self-gratification. It is for His name to be glorified through you. So by the time you now do Jehovah overdo, Yemi overdo, Kiab overdo in church, well, I'm not saying you shouldn't be skillful, but be moderate when it comes to church. Níwọ̀ntúnwọ̀nsì, Bíbélì sọ ó ní jẹ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan fún ẹ kó lọ wà ní ìwọ̀ntúnwọ̀nsì. Àwọn òwe tá à ń pa ní church, òwe tó máa fún yàn ní hope, òwe tó máa raise, tó máa boost morale yàn, tó máa fún yàn ní inspiration, because even the song itself as a lead worship singer, òun gbé àwọn èèyàn síwájú Ọlọ́run ni. Jẹ́ kí ìlú ẹ náà jẹ́ kó follow suit wọ́n ṣe ń lọ yẹn. Kì í ṣe pé bí wọ́n ń gbé àwọn èèyàn lọ síwájú Ọlọ́run, wọ́n ń kọrin tó máa lift souls àwọn èèyàn. Ìwọ ló ń play orin club, ló ń play ìlú club, ìlú lágbo. Lóòótọ́ ojú ti là, things ti wà civilized. In those days, àwọn àlùjọ ògbà yẹn ni ìjọ ni mo ta lóògùn rẹ̀, ìyàwó yọ lókè ọgbọ́n. Nígbà yẹn, but times changed with time. Ìgbà yí ó di ìjọ mi mo ta lóògùn rẹ̀, ìyàwó yọ lókè. Hold on, man. Then I've seen situations where I went to some churches. When I say church, I'm just being general. There's something that makes me come into your presence. My helper. Church.
It is church.
Many of us do not know what exactly tí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tí ìlú yẹn sọ jáde. Talking drum, don't forget. Ṣé orí ìlú wọ́n ṣe ń pè ní talking drum tí ìlú ọba kí ń sọ̀rọ̀, that means the purpose is defeated. Ìlú lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ ni. So àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kábàdà yẹn sọ when it comes to church, agbọ́dọ̀ are very very careful. Fẹ́ gbé lágbólágbó tó ti mú oríṣiríṣi ń sìn ni, it is permitted, it is allowed, kò ń ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Àwùjọ yẹn láti lè rí, but church ó ní gbámúgbámú àbí ọlọ́mọge ṣèdí bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú church. Ẹja ronú pé wàdà o, it's not the best o. Gbogbo láti ṣẹ̀ sọ́lọ́run, ṣùgbọ́n by the time you come to the realization of the truth, yípadà o.
I'm very overwhelmed with the lecture, with the explanation from our daddy. But kí wọ́n tó lọ síbẹ̀ náà still, wọ́n yẹ fún wa ní orí kí Ọlọ́run kọ́ tá a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀, tá a fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run just one, á kàn fún wa jẹ kán tó lọ.
Ìsìlẹ̀ Ọlọ́run bá màmá ní, ọ̀ ẹlẹ́rù níyìn màmá ní, ológo dídán, àfúnni má sì rè mú. Ọlọ́run wọn bá màmá ní, Ọlọ́run wọn bá mo dúpẹ́, Ọlọ́run wọn bá mo fi ìyìn fún, ológo dídán, àfúnni má sì rè mú. Ọlọ́run wọn bá mo dúpẹ́. Nípa kíkí Ọlọ́run, tí bá pè nǹkan kékeré tí mo ní sìn, does not mean it's the final. Kíkí Ọlọ́run is not limited to how good you are. Kíkí Ọlọ́run, it's all about your perspective of who God is in your life. Bí bá ṣe rí Ọlọ́run, ìgbà míì ó ní máa pè ní síjọ́ kìí sìn, kí mi sí yẹn balẹ̀ ẹ, olórin yẹn ń kọrin, wọ́n kọ́ pé wọ́n kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa kí Ọlọ́run ni, so perspective bó ṣe balẹ̀ ẹni, èmi sí ni. Tàbá ní Ọlọ́run wọn bá tó, ẹlẹ́rù ní tó, ọlọ́ba tó ṣe kìnnìkan, ohun tó ṣe pọ̀. So tó bá lò mọ́ irọ́ ni, because tó bá ti àmọ́ nǹkan tó fẹ́ lórí wàá lo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ayé tiẹ̀ gan wàá fọ́ owó.
I believe by now we understand the deep meaning and the differences between Owe and Oro. So I really want to appreciate our daddy, my daddy, a great mentor to thousands of cooking numbers out there. Thousands, when I say thousands. from day one till now. That's a so really appreciate you, sir, for this, for your time, for your contribution to the society, to we young Gen Z drummers like this. I will pray that we may not strengthen you more. Yeah, before I go, our daddy has a school. If you want to reach out to him, I'll at the end of
okay. I run an academy where people are taught how to play the talking drum, omele, and other related African percussion. So the name of the school is Kiab School of African Percussion. If really you want to be, or you're just aspiring, maybe you are already in the act of playing talking drum and you want to improve your style of play, your content, Kiab School of African Percussion is a place to be. Oh, hey, but it's not free anyway.
Don't sleep on it. You don't reach out to our daddy, then I will send a DM to me, then I will send his number out and reach out to him. In case you can't reach me, our daddy school is there. That will be all for today. See you next time. God bless you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. God bless you all.
See you. Mwah.